Hello, welcome to your channel Learn with Joy. Today, we will talk about algorithms and the importance of integrating them into children's lives early. We'll see real-life examples by helping them understand the meaning of the algorithms. Let's start. The set of moves can be called informally an algorithm. It's cool, but about algorithms, it doesn't say much. An algorithm is formally a detailed list of operations that a Turing machine can perform. Typically, a problem can be solved more than one way. A certain dish can be made in many different recipes, but ultimately tastes the same when everything is said and finished. It's the same with algorithms. Some of those forms are better than others, however. It isn't as good a simple recipe if a recipe requires other complex ingredients you don't have. If we consider algorithms as a way of resolving problems, we always want to know how long a program takes to solve the issue with a particular algorithm. When we write algorithms, it takes us less time for our algorithm to solve our problem as fast as possible. An algorithm is a step-by-step detailed instruction to fix a problem or complete a task. Programmers write algorithms in computer technology to tell the machine how to do a job. A recipe for making food is an algorithm. The method you use to solve addition or long division problems is an algorithm. The process of folding a shirt or a pair of pants is an algorithm. Encourage your child for an even easier task to write out a morning algorithm, or the algorithm, such as teeth or cereal feeding. Algorithmic thinking allows kids to break down problems and conceptualize solutions in terms of discrete steps in a procedure. Please like the video and share it to your friends. And please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to receive all news about the computer world. Thank you.